So, hello everyone. Good evening to all. Just confirm me once that my voice is audible. Okay, sir. Thank you for your response in the chat box and thank you for joining this special orientation session, this GST comprehensive course. Okay. So, sir, first of all, this session is for those who have not registered for this GST comprehensive course. Still, they are in confusion that this course is for us or not. We should join this course or not, and what will be covered in this particular course and what is this GST comprehensive course. So everything will be shared in this session that is called as the orientation session. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, sharp at 11 a.m., the GST comprehensive course will start for the registered participants. Those who have registered for this GST comprehensive course, they have already received the link to join the course. Tomorrow we have an introductory session, and from 10th of March, we have the regular classes evening at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So this session is just a last call from our side for the registration to this GST comprehensive course. And sir, I humbly request that if you have joined this session for today, then just be there till the last moment of this session, because I will not take your much more time, will conclude my discussion in next 25 to 30 minutes only. And believe me, these 30 minutes will be the best 30 minutes for your knowledge. These 30 minutes will be the great investment from your side towards your GST knowledge, towards your GST practices, or I can say towards the complete practices or professionalism which you are following in your day-to-day life, in your day-to-day GST practices. So I request everyone, if it is possible for you to share the details with other professionals, with other professional groups, then you can share it very easily, because this will be a great information which you are supposed to share with others. And sir, most important thing, this is not any type of advertisement related video, because now we have declared that this GST comprehensive course is completely free without books. Those who have registered for this course, they have already received the study material, or they will receive it by today evening, or by tomorrow they will definitely receive the study material as well. Sir, how many of you have no idea about this GST comprehensive course? Just let me know once in the chat box. You all have idea about GST comprehensive course, or there are certain participants who have no idea about this GST comprehensive course? Yes, Sridhar sir will discuss definitely. Sir, my voice is audible, clear? Wait. We'll share everything. Just wait for 5 to 7 minutes. I just want to discuss something with you, because this is India's first course where the faculty is going to share with you the details about this course and why we are making our efforts to engage the maximum number of professionals. The reason is one and only to provide the expert knowledge of GST in a very simplified, in a very unique, or in a very innovative way. I know many participants has received the books, okay, and also we have not asked for a single time about the feedback of the books, but we are receiving multiple feedbacks, multiple comments from the participants, those who have received the books, okay. So now in this particular session, I just want to discuss with you certain things about the GST comprehensive course, why this GST comprehensive course is important, what are the things we are going to cover in this GST comprehensive course, and why we are saying that we'll cover each and everything like a TV series, only in a very simplified and interesting way. Each and everything will cover. No any personal interest is there, because sir, this is a free course, okay. So I just require your 100% attention on the screen. Just feel free, because we'll not discuss a single provision. We'll just try to discuss about the GST comprehensive course, what the things we are supposed to cover, and how you can enroll for this course freely. Everything will cover in this course, okay. Just wait for a single second. Just wait for a single second. We'll resume in next 1 minute only. So yes, sorry for the disturbance. Now we'll start our discussion. Just confirm me once, sir, my voice is audible. Okay, sir. Thank you for your response in the chat box, and let's start our discussion on this GST comprehensive course. About this GST comprehensive course. Sir, first question is that what is this GST comprehensive course? Because since last 1 month we are working on this specific course, GST comprehensive course, but there is a lot of doubts regarding this GST comprehensive course in the mind of professionals. Hence, I am just going to provide you one clarity. But before moving ahead, I just request everyone be part of this session till the last moment of this session. This is my promise to you. It will be a great learning, great experience for all of you. Sir, what is this GST comprehensive course? Sir, when I'm handling the GST practices, when I'm handling the GST compliances, when I'm handling the GST practices, when I'm handling the GST compliances, at that time, the problem, the point is that I should have the knowledge of GST, that is law. I should have the knowledge of the practical case studies. I should have the knowledge of the practical problems. When my client will ask with me something related to GST, I should be in a situation to provide the reply for each and every query which has been asked by my client. Okay. So the point is that if only I have the theoretical knowledge, that is, I have the idea about the various sections which is there in GST, but I have no idea about the practical implications. Or whenever there will be a notice by the departmental authority, or in case of business audit, departmental audit, if we are not able to provide the proper reply to the officer, in such a scenario, there may be certain issues. Okay, because in that case there will be a chance of losing the client. There may be a chances that we will not provide the professional services in a professional way with the high standard. And many times various GST professionals, GST practitioners are there, they are merely filing the returns or handling the compliances, they are not handling the litigations. But for your information, I just want to convey, sir, while filing the returns, there is a very important role of the provision of law. Okay, of the various things which is there in GST, of the analytical aspect. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूं, I am always saying that whenever you are handling the GST related cases, you should have the conceptual knowledge, so that you have the idea about the sections. You should have the analytical knowledge, that means the analysis of a single provision with multiple aspects. We all know there are multiple sections are in GST, and the effect of each and every section is different in different aspects. So we just need to know what will be the implication of that specific section in different situation. We also need to know about the practical knowledge, that how I can apply that knowledge, that is theoretical knowledge, in my day-to-day GST cases, while filing the return, while handling the compliances, while solving the queries of my client. So there is requirement of three bases. One is conceptual, another is analytical, third one is technical or practical knowledge. कई जगह मैं देखता हूं, there is certain courses they are providing the details related to law, but how I can use the section of that law into my practical aspect, because gaining the knowledge, there is no any purpose to pass any examination. I just need to give the consultancy to my client. For that purpose, I should have the practical knowledge of each and every provision. So with this aspect, cover the conceptual knowledge, the practical knowledge, the technical knowledge, we are coming with this GST comprehensive course. That means in this GST comprehensive course, we'll cover the conceptual aspect, the practical aspect, the technical aspect, everything will be covered. Now, this is a 45 days GST comprehensive course. That means we have the classes for all the 45 days from Monday till Friday. If you want to note, you can note it down. Monday to Friday we have classes evening 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. because हम इसको office hours में नहीं रख रहे हैं. These classes are after the office hours. And the most important thing, if you will miss any single class on the same day, you will get the recordings, so that you can go through with the recordings. While watching the recording, if you have any question, any query, any doubt, feel free to connect with me. I will be available in an exclusive WhatsApp group for any query. You can connect with me or call as well. That is what is the facility which we are providing with this GST comprehensive course. And sir, charge is not 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. It's free. Just for your knowledge, you just need to invest the time. Okay. In this series, this is the first time when we are providing this type of course absolutely free. This is our GST comprehensive course. Next question. Sir, in this particular session, whatever will be the question in your mind, I have just covered and will provide you the details. Although if you have any question, any query, you can raise the same in the chat box. We'll definitely provide you the reply. Coverage of this GST comprehensive course. Sir, what are the things you are supposed to cover? So in this particular course, we'll cover each and every section of GST law, each and every rules of GST law, and with this section and rules, we'll provide you the details about the practical implication of that section and rules. That what will be the effect of a specific section which we are going to read in this course on our practical day-to-day GST life. So that if you are a basic BCom graduate, if you are a GST practitioner, if you are a chartered accountant, if you are a professional, in each and every scenario, from basic till advanced level will cover in this particular course. With that, this is not the end. With that, we'll cover around 250 recent landmarking judgments. Through the knowledge of that landmarking judgment, if there will be any litigation, any notice, you all will be in a situation to provide or frame a proper reply. What are the grounds you need to include, or what are the precautions which you need to take care while filing the returns, so that you can prevent the litigations as well. This is not the end. With that, we'll cover around 250 practical queries. And these queries are day-to-day queries which has been asked by your client in your day-to-day life. So you all will be in a situation to provide the reply to your clients. So these three things will cover in these 45 days: complete law, 250 recent landmarking judgments, and 250 practical queries. Sir, next question. Why this GST comprehensive course? There may be chances one question is there in my mind that sir, I am handling the GST compliances only. I am only filing the returns. There is a specific format which has been provided by the government: GSTR1, GSTR3B, GSTR9, GSTR9C. So why there is requirement to read these type of complex provision of law? Because I am only filing the returns. It's very easy. So sir, return is very easy. We know very well. A 10th pass out person can easily file the return. There is no any rocket science, because specific formats are there, accounting softwares are generating the same. You just need to upload the data on the portal. And most important thing, in very near future, in next 1 to 2 years, complete return filing will be automated. Then there will be no any role of the professional of the GST practitioners. I think you all are agree with me. Yes sir. You can comment in the chat box. Are you agree? Everything will be automated. Then what will be the role of a GST professional, GST practitioners? So for that purpose, there is requirement that everyone should have the expert knowledge, so that we can easily provide the perfect consultancy to our client. We can easily retain our client. We can easily attract our client. We can show that we have something different, because a lot of competition is there. So return filing will be automated, but how to file a perfect return, that will be in our hand. So for that purpose, there is requirement of the complex provision knowledge in a very simplified way. So this is the purpose of this GST comprehensive course, because we'll link each and every provision with your return filing. We'll show you that while filing your GSTR 3P return, while filing your GSTR 1 return, whatever will be the figures which you are going to put, you just need to put with reference to provision of law. So that is what is the purpose of this GST comprehensive course. About the study materials, and what are the things we will read in this particular course, or what are the things we'll cover in this particular course. So sir, in this course, as we have already covered, that we have three segments. One is conceptual knowledge. For conceptual knowledge, we'll cover this book, Advitiya, the definitive guide to GST, will cover this book. Second, will cover around 250 recent landmarking judgment. For that purpose, we have this book, GST cases, will cover. And third, 250 practical queries. So this is our book for the practical queries. We'll cover these three books in the GST comprehensive course, 45 days GST comprehensive course, in a very simplified way, in a very unique way. And sir, this is my guarantee to you. You all will enjoy each and every session, because we have a lot of practical examples. We have a lot of funny examples. We have a lot of entertainment oriented things for you. So this is completely a unique course. If your age is 60, 70, you will definitely enjoy this course, because this will be completely in a unique way. Schedule of this course. Sir, I will just take your 10 minutes more. So I just want your attention, so that you can get the idea about this GST comprehensive course. This course will be a 45 days course. Timing will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. every day from Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday will be holiday. And Monday to Friday, if you miss any class, you will get the recordings as well. Now, examination at the end of the course. Sir, this examination to evaluate your performance as well as my performance. Because I have also given 45 days to you and you have also given 45 days to me. So through this examination, you can evaluate your situation that before joining this course, I was at what level and now I am at what level. That is what is the comparison is also required, because through that comparison only, you will also get the idea that what is the importance of this course, and I will also get the idea that what is the importance of my involvement in that course. Because sir, I am also taking your 45 days. So it should not be a waste. So for that purpose, this examination is there. And sir, most important thing, this examination will be completely unique and innovative, because this is not a theoretical examination. A lot of practical situations will be there and you just need to solve that practical situations which you will face in your day-to-day GST practice, so that you can evaluate your knowledge, and if there will be any wrong answer, in that case you can easily get the idea that what are the things you need to follow. Because when we all will be there for 45 days, we all will be a family. So family mistake is okay. So in this examination, mistakes is completely okay. But I just want one thing, that sir, you should participate in this examination so that you can easily evaluate your performance and you can easily know a lot of practical questions. The examination will be of 100 practical questions, MCQ based, and this is also web based on our website. So a lot of technology environment is also there. Okay, there is a very huge investment behind this particular course, but we are providing it for free. Only one purpose, to spread the knowledge of GST among the professionals. Now, sir, you have mentioned that what is this GST comprehensive course, what are the things we're going to cover, what will be the schedule, and what will be about the examination, about the study material. What do you expect after this course? Sir, what will get after this particular course? There is any change in our day-to-day GST practice? There is any expert knowledge will be there? What will happen after this course? So, sir, in this orientation training session, you can record it. This is my assurance to you. Your complete prospect towards the GST, towards the GST practices will be completely changed. And also, you will get a lot of things related to the, you will get a lot of things related, that how you can grow your GST practices, how you can boost your GST practices, how you can attract your new client, how you can file the returns in a perfect way, how you can handle the litigations, how you can handle the notices. So everything will be there and you all will be in a situation to handle each and every situation in GST. And I think you all will be master in this GST to handle the each and every case, critical to critical case. That is what is the role of this GST comprehensive course. Sir, any doubt in your mind? In that case, you can put your comments in the chat box, and if you want to show your excitement in the chat box as well. Although after joining this particular course, after joining this particular course, you will also get one certificate from our side, and that will be a showcase of your knowledge, of your learning. Okay, sir, we know sir, it's already free. Okay, so you can check it anytime. Okay, now the most important thing, sir, this course is free, absolutely free. But the most important thing is that if I will say you that yes, this is free, then you will join it for one day, second day, then you think that यार हो गया 2 दिन, अब हम लोग रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेंगे, या फिर इस टाइम ज्वाइन क्यों करना है, इट्स ओके, विल ज्वाइन इट एट नेक्स्ट टाइम, इट्स फ्री, वी हैव नॉट इन्वेस्टेड अ सिंगल rupee. That is what is the motive. This is a human nature. Okay, so for that purpose we are charging 200 rupees from you, just an administrative cost, because you all know 45 days, involvement of CA Sachin Jain, involvement of a lot of technology. So it will be a huge cost. But we are just charging 200 rupees to access this course through YouTube. And this 200 rupees is only for the confirmation that you will join it. That is what is the thing we are charging from you. You all are agree with that? This 200 rupees is okay? Or you want it absolutely free? If you will say that I want it absolutely free, we'll provide you. Not an issue. But this 200 is just an administration charges. And this is my assurance to you. Sir, if you will not satisfied after the course, just text us once that, sir, I'm not satisfied. So refund me. So we'll refund you that 200 rupees as well, because this is a guaranteed course. And sir, we have invested a very good amount of time to frame this specific course. And now, yes, Kamlesh sir, we have received your fees as well, and we have already dispatched your books, and very soon you will receive the book. Sorry for the inconvenience, because you have selected a wrong segment on our website, because today my staff has conveyed the thing with me. So we have already corrected the same. There is also one small amount refund is there for you, Kamleshji. So you will get it very soon, because you have paid an excess amount. So you will get the refund as well. So thank you, Kamleshji, for the patience. Now, there is certain participants who are saying that, sir, we require the books, because these books, this course, if you are joining without books, it's great. But if you will join it with books, it will be a super duper knowledge book for you, because these books are completely simplified, designed in a very specific and unique way. The cost of the books is around 4,000 rupees, but we are providing it for 3,400 only, including the postage. So if anyone wants to buy the books, those who have registered for 200 and they want to buy the book, they just need to deposit 3,200 more. Sir, if it is possible for you to invest 3,400, then go with books. If it is not possible for you to invest 3,400, then invest 200 rupees only. Both will be okay. With 3,400, you will get access through Zoom. With 200, you will get access through YouTube. No difference is there. Okay. We'll provide you the access through Zoom. Not an issue. Buy the books. In that case, you can make the notes, because a lot of writings will be there, a lot of practical examples will be there. And those who have received the books, I just require, if there is any participant who have received the books, then you may comment your feedback about the books, because as an author, I need not to say anything. So if anyone who has received the books, you can comment. If you don't like it, then also comment it. Okay. So if it is possible for you, then you can buy the books. You will get a kit with this book as well. If it is not possible for you, just scan this QR code, pay 200 rupees, and confirm your registration, so that you can receive the joining link. And those who want to buy the books, then you just need to make the payment of 3,400 rupees on this QR code itself. Will convert it. Okay. If you are registering, okay, if you are registering right now, then post payment, I request everyone, post payment, I am sharing with you one specific link. Please fill this Google form. If you are paying the amount, if you are paying the amount, in that case, you just need to fill the Google form as well. Sir, definitely those who have not received the books, you will definitely receive it very soon, by tomorrow, by day after tomorrow, because for first 2 to 3 days, we'll discuss without books, because we know, because we are from Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and you maximum participants are from South. So it will take time, but you will definitely receive, and we have tried our best to provide the best packing material. So you will receive the books in good condition. Thank you, Radha Krishnan ji, for your response in the chat box. Those who want to buy the books, just pay 3,400 on this QR code. And I have already shared the Google form. Just fill that Google form, because without Google form, will not get the idea that you have made the payment. And if you have any query, just connect on this number. Just connect on this number. If you have any query, if you have any query, in that case, you can connect on this number. If anyone has any query, then you may connect on this number. Okay. I request, if possible for you, then just share this information with your other professional friends, if with your other professional groups, because sir, we have already taken the step to provide you this particular type of course. Now this is your responsibility to spread the knowledge. Those who are watching it on YouTube, I request made this investment of 200 rupees, or if it is possible then 3400, it is okay. No, no, those who have already paid and registered, no need to do anything, no need to fill the Google form. I request those who are registering on today, only 200 rupees you need to pay. Or if you want the books, then 3400. Whatever will be you want, you can do. Okay. Yes, Kamlesh, definitely. I request you can suggest your staff to join through YouTube. Okay. YouTube will be also a good source. Will also take the queries on YouTube as well. So sir, screenshot is there in front of you. Just scan this amount and you can pay 200 rupees. And if you want to pay on Google Pay, then this number is also there. You can make the payment on Google Pay as well, 9829760308. And definitely, if you will not be satisfied with the course, just text us once that, sir, we want the refund of 200 rupees. Will prove your request without any documentation. Already shared the Google form. Once again, I have shared the Google form and request everyone, those who are registering for this course, then yes, scan through. Yes, Kamleshji, tomorrow we have a first session, that is introductory session. What are the things we'll cover, how we'll cover, everything will be covered in our tomorrow session, morning 11 a.m. Those who have earlier registered, they have already received the joining link, I think, the mail ID. You will also receive the joining link on your WhatsApp by tomorrow morning. And those who have registered by today itself, they will also receive the joining link tomorrow early morning. So once again, thank you everyone for joining, for listening with us. Many participants I'm seeing, they are joining regularly, each and every session. Not an issue. If you are not able to upload the QR code or your payment screenshot, then also it is completely okay. Just fill the Google form. Our team will check and connect with you, not an issue, because the amount will be credited in the account. Yes, definitely. If you are not supposed to buy the books, you just need to pay 200 rupees. You can easily join this course. Not an issue. Not an issue at all. Okay. Because sir, we are not conducting this course for any price or any money. This 200 we are taking just for your presence. And ho sakta hai, there may be chances that we'll plan for a gift for these 200 also, because we are just going to take this amount as a security deposit from your side. So this is just an investment from your side. Sir, Google form already shared. So I once again request and thanks to all of you for joining our today's session. That is just the orientation session. Tomorrow morning, sharp at 11 a.m., we have the first introductory session. So I request everyone try to join that session, introductory session, uh, get the knowledge, and just fill the Google form. I request everyone, please fill the Google form. Okay, because without Google form, our team will not get the idea about your registration confirmation. So once again, thank you everyone for joining, for listening with us. We'll meet tomorrow morning sharp at 11 a.m. with the complete details about the introductory session, 11 a.m. And I know tomorrow is Sunday, so I will not take your much more time. On Sunday, we'll just conclude my session in 40 to 45 minutes. And from 10th of March, we have a regular session, 8 p.m., 9 p.m. Once again, thank you everyone for joining, for listening with us. And whatever will be your feedback about the session, about the course, you can comment in the chat box. I am here for next 2 minutes. And if you have any query, any question, any doubt, you can raise the same in the chat box. I am happy to hear. So once again, thank you everyone. And in near future, Mahendra sir will cover relevant circular and relevant notifications. Will not cover each and every notification circular, because that is also irrelevant. That will not be there in your brain. So we'll cover the relevant the notifications. Sorry, no PDF will be shared about these books. Okay. So only hard copy is there. Only books ki hard copy is there. But while going through with the session or while watching the videos, you can make the notes as well. That is what is the here, because as per the company policy we are not able to share the PDF file. Otherwise these physical books, just one purpose is there, because हम सब की आदत छूट गई है बुक्स में कुछ भी लिखने की. We are not habitual to write anything in the books, and जब तक unless and until will not learn something as a student, will not get the perfect knowledge. So the purpose of this course is to provide you the knowledge like a student. So once again, thank you everyone for joining. Thank you for listening. Thank you for sparing time for us. Uh, no, sir, if you have already paid 3,400, then no need to pay a single fee. Yes, yes, every day you will get the recordings. If you want to pay through you phone pay, then definitely it will not allow you, Vinod ji. So alternatively, you just need to connect on this number 9829760308. We'll share you the phone pay number. Google form, Jagdish sir already shared. Now, once again, I have shared the Google form. So let's conclude the session with the remark with the evening. And from tomorrow onwards, we'll start a new learning in a very new, unique, and innovative way. So, bye bye. Take care. We'll meet tomorrow sharp at 11 a.m. to the registered participants. Thank you once again.